Let's take a look at the best graphic design software for beginners. Hey everybody, this is Billy Aiken. Welcome to my channel and to this video. If you have not already, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, hit the notification bell right next to it. That way you get notified as new videos and new recommendations and training and all kinds of really cool resources are going to be coming out on a regular basis. So I want to talk about my favorite graphic design software that is perfect for beginners. I have been in the digital marketing industry for over 15 years, and graphic design is a very important part and a huge part of my business, as I need to be able to create graphics for my courses and my challenges and for all of the sales funnels, for social media, for my YouTube thumbnails, for basically everything that I need to use and create custom graphics. Canva is by far the best software I've used, because a lot of the other ones like Photoshop is very complicated and very techy, and I'm not really that tech savvy. I mean, I think of myself as a pretty technical person, that I'm able to do most things, but going to Photoshop and trying to do something is, to me, it's like doing coding, So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at canva.com. I'm going to put a link in the description below for you to be able to get free access to it, or to take a look at their premium services. You can get a free trial. I use the paid service personally myself, because it includes much more templates and more graphics, and it's just a lot more helpful, to be completely honest. And but you can always grab the free one, just kind of play around, take a look at it. But I highly advise you grab the free trial so you can get access to all of the benefits. So you can do presentations, you can even do videos, Instagram posts, Facebook posts. You can do your YouTube thumbnails, Facebook cover photo, your banner image for your YouTube channel. You could do all of your social media posts. It's just simply just drag and drop. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of this window, and I'm actually just going to go into my personal account. Like, for example, for this specific video that I am doing right now as we speak, this is the YouTube thumbnail that I created. I created this from scratch inside of Canva. Well, technically, I did use one of the templates, and if it says Pro, that means you have to be a pro paid user to be able to get access to the pro features, or you can just try to grab a free one if you wanted to use a free one. So I used this one, and what I did was I went through and just kind of made some changes. As you can see, it's all drag and drop. And I can go through and I can, change it to anything that I want. Best software, design software, best graphic design software. And if I wanted to, I could put, beginners here. But, obviously that doesn't look great. I don't like what I just did. So I'm just going to hit the undo button, and it kind of undoes everything that I just done. So we're going to put it back. So if I wanted to maybe change the colors, if we wanted to, we could do white, we could do orange, red, whatever you want to do. If I wanted to take maybe this graphic out, I can go over here to elements, and I can let's do gear. I'm going to type in gear, and you get all of these really cool assets. And if you wanted to, you could use as a pro member, you get access to most of the really cool graphics that have been professionally done. So if I wanted to, I can click on it, and it's drag and drop. So I'm going to bring it over here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. So I'm going to hit the back button and bring it right here. Make it a little bit smaller, and then I put a little gear icon right there. So if I wanted to do kind of different one, I could do something like that and put it there. And if I wanted to do social media, and if you wanted to use a photo or a graphic, or you could even use a video, but I think on videos, a lot of them are mostly for, the video assets are mostly for pro users. A lot of the graphic designs have been professionally made. So, I think you have to be a pro user, but there is the free ones. And I can show you, if you wanted to grab a free account, all you would do is just go up here to to the little filter. And what I could do is I can click on free, apply filters. This is all of the free ones, so you don't even have to try to find it. So if I wanted to, I could do, that's actually a really cool design. And I'm kind of surprised they're giving it to free users. But if I wanted to, I can get rid of that and put it here. But basically, you know, if you wanted to create really professional looking graphic designs for your landing pages, for your sales funnels, for your entire business, or for, you know, really for anything, even if you have an e-commerce store, if you have you know, a Shopify store, for a blog, I've seen blogs that use, I've actually seen this graphic design on a blog yesterday, which is kind of cool. But once you get done with your design, you just click on download and you can download it. You can even, so let's go back and let's do something for Facebook. So if I wanted to click on social media and go to Facebook post, and let's go over here to, actually, I created a Facebook post a while back, and I'm going to pull that up. And this is a post I created. I actually selected this image background from over here from the photos. I just selected one that was different than what was on the template. You know, I put kind of my logo here, and I actually thought that this quote was really cool. When you change your thoughts, remember to also change your world. And if you wanted to, you could put any other quote you wanted. And when you're done, you could just click publish to Facebook. And what I did was I actually went and I created an Instagram version of it, and I posted it to my Instagram channel. So anyway, there's so many different features, so many different things. I've done slide presentations. This is a VSL video that I created for a YouTube video of a YouTube ad that I created for my 5-day financial freedom challenge. And I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. I actually teach step-by-step how to become debt-free, how to organize all your debts, how to increase your income, how to have an additional income through affiliate marketing. But as you can see, I created all of these really cool slides, all of the text, all the elements, the graphic designs, a lot, you know, all of this stuff I created inside of Canva. So what I want to challenge you to do is go to the description below this video, sign up for the free trial of the pro version. That's what I did. I loved it so much. I stayed on as a pro user because there's just too many awesome things. You can actually shoot and edit videos using this software. That's something that I didn't even know it did. There's video assets that you can use. That is phenomenal. The video assets that you can create and use for YouTube ads, for your Facebook post. I mean, it is just amazing. And there's a ton of other things. In fact, I might create some other videos on some of the other features. I'm going to create videos on how to use Canva, how to create different assets, digital assets for your business. And make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you hit the notifications feature so that when those videos come out, you're notified. So I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. Let me know in the comments below if there are certain topics or subjects that you want me to create videos. I'm opening that up to the public because I want to hear what you have to say. I'm interested to do some YouTube videos on some things that you're interested in. Make sure you check out the description below for all of the resources, and go ahead and do that now. Thank you so much, guys, for being on this video, and I'll see you on the next one.